giant bulldog ant's nest. There it is right there. What's key about filming wildlife is, believe it or not, is not just one of these things, but one of these things down here, the grip, the tripods, etc. And if you're not quick enough to set the thing up or know how you're going to set it up, or a lot of experience with it, and it may seem really, you know, a ridiculous kind of question because this thing's only got 3 legs and a head on it, and there are certainly somewhat more complicated tripods, but this is a tripod for, you know, filming wildlife like this sort of scenario, because you can get this type of tripod, the 755B, really close to the ground, and you see we've got the head in line with the entrance to the ant's nest here. That's really important. But whoever's setting these things up, they've got to know what they're doing, so you're not wasting time.